Okay, we're gonna let it go. Get a few laps in. This is the third time. I just noticed the headlight popped off. I did a quick solder job, and I'm guessing one of the wires popped off. I'm running it off the smoke system, and sometimes smoke leads will get hot, and it actually melts the solder up on if it's sticking out. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm not worried. I had it. It'll come back. I have the sound. I got the big, well, not big, but it's a pretty nice soundboard. Pretty expensive, and all the things are working. I got the trailing truck on with lots of clearance. Let's see if I can get it here kicking out. No, I can't. I'm too inept. I went zoom and I zoomed out. And I couldn't get it into control. And it comes around this time, I'll get it. And so it's pulling, I think it's still the 10 cars. It doesn't have traction control. And I think that's part of the problem, if there is a problem. There you see it's kicking out just fine. A lot of room. Both in the internals and in the body. I didn't have to grind any off the body. Pretty good shape. So I'm gonna let it run and make sure I don't have any other weaknesses. I'll change the speed up and down a little bit so I don't burn in and something. So that's it. This is engine number 3 with every possible thing changed that needed to be changed. And it's got a really decent smoke, I think. And my walls are aluminum. It's crazy. You can't see it really, but when it comes around here, you'll see it really well. There you go. And you can see the puff coming out pretty strong. Trucks are rolling, tenders rolling. I tested everything, dry tested it, had it on the rollers. We're running 17 volts, which is not full speed. Pulling 5 amps, but I'm betting you 2 of those amps are all the dang incandescent light bulbs. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 of the 10 cars are lit, so there. That's a lot of light bulbs. So if we replaced each of these cars with 2 box cars without lights, you'd probably have a different story. I don't know that I have enough. 4, 6, 8. I don't have enough. Well, I might if I opened up all my other boxes. Well, that looked pretty cool coming down here with the, see how it is? Hugging the body like. You can see the cups. Now, at a speed like this, with a load like that, you could see how you might get by with two puffs per rev pretty easily. Yeah, you don't have a trouble. You don't have trouble. Yeah, it kicks out nice. It's closer than it was, but it's not as close as it could be, but it's pretty close. Here's where we have this trouble, is winding this turn. Winding this turn. You can see it and hear it. He's working. But he does it. All right. He's a puller. He's a puller. Okay. He doesn't try not to, he just spins. So getting traction tires, if you're going to pull anything like this, is probably advisable. Or do what Leon does. He puts a lot of lead inside the body underneath. Alrighty. Okay, I'm going to close this up. I'm going to run it some more, see what else I can do an inspection, then I'll jump on the other guys. I'm going to start printing the parts I need for them, so I get them going as fast as I can. Okay, gang, from the, I don't know where we're from, but from wherever we are, this is it. There we go. What's it like having trains running, huh? Oh, it's super. Alright. I'll play around, do some other stuff, let you know how it turns out. It's looking good, Gil. Yeah.